Hi guys, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video we're going to do something a little bit different than we normally do. Today I decided to do, I hit 300 subscribers, and guys, I wanted to thank you so much for supporting my channel. I know I'm new and you guys have been so great. So in honor of that, I decided to do a pop giveaway. So we're going to do this simple and we're going to do this quick. I have some items on the table here that are craft items that I thought that I gathered together to give away. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rules in the end. I want to go ahead and explain to you first what's on the table here, and then we'll get to the rules, okay? So a little while back, Dollar Tree carried these bags. Now they haven't bought them back. What a beautiful pattern. They did have it in the silver and the gold. So you guys, one of you guys are going to win the gold. Then real quick, I'm going to show you, this is some Christmas ribbon. So I grabbed a couple of these. One of these are for you guys. Now I did have some leftover Valentine's Day ribbon with the red truck, which I thought you guys would absolutely love. So we have 2 of those. Then we have some bling wrap here. You got some silver adhesive bling wrap, and then we have the gold right here. Okay, because I know some of you don't get some of these things. I know a couple of things I don't get either, so I just want to send you something nice. So these are the Sunburst Gem stickers in the multicolor. So that's going to be another one of the adhesives. These are all adhesive, by the way. Then the Dollar Tree started carrying the heart gemstones. So I decided to grab one red, okay, to give away. And these are the ones I normally use in the clear, so I got them in the emerald green. This is a beautiful color green. So I got one of these also for you guys. Then also in the pearl stickers, we have the hot pink. Aren't they beautiful, guys? And then the pale pink. Alright. So one of you guys is going to be very lucky. Okay, guys. So these are the border stickers I absolutely love using. I usually use the pearl ones, but they ran out. So I grabbed 2 of the gold ones for you. Then they had these during... a couple of weeks back. I don't even remember exactly when they came in, but I love crafting with these. I did a lot of Mother's Day crafts with these because of the colors. Beautiful. Okay, now also going through the crafters section, I always talk about the little shape foam. These happen to be the animal ones because I never noticed that before, and when I did, I pointed that out to you, so I grabbed one of the animal ones. Then we have 2 of the picks, because during these months they have these party picks out in the pink and the lavender, so I grabbed one of each. Also, some of you have trouble getting these wooden cubes, so I grabbed a couple and I figured I'd give you guys one. And then also the rabbits during Easter time, a lot of people were saying they couldn't get 2 of these, or they didn't have them at their Dollar Tree, so I'm going to put a pack into that in your box. And then one of the fat quarters they have with the bunny. This came out during Easter, and this is absolutely beautiful color and all. Okay, so you're going to get one of those. And you're going to get one of these crowns, the mirror decals crown. Okay. It is raining so hard here, guys. Okay, so you're also going to get a decorative bird. Usually you decorate wreaths. You can decorate anything with these decorative birds. So one of these will be included in this giveaway, guys. Okay, guys, so here are the rules for the pop giveaway. Make sure, guys, that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me over at Instagram at the Grace Life 5. Leave a comment below your Instagram handle. And for fun, an avocado emoji. Guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you in the next video.